if you won a lottery, which supercar would you own and why?
Blue one. I don't know what it's called. I would own a Ferrari. Ferrari! Maybe Ferrari?
Definitely a Lambo, hands down Lambo.
Any Ferrari would do.
A Koenigsegg Esco Absolute.
Why?
It's fucking fast and I don't think there's any car faster.
It would be this Porsche. Because it looks sick as fuck and it's the first car I just saw.
And that's a Lambo. Show the Lambo, bro.
If I won a lottery, right, I'm not gonna go low key with a Lambo, bro. Bro, I'm gonna get a fucking Pagani, bro.
Aston Martin or Lamborghini.
Pagani Agera.
It's Porsche for me. Give me GT RS3. Obviously Ferrari. I love speed. The Aston Martin looks nice. I would like to own a Lamborghini.
I would buy a Porsche.
Ferrari for sure. Mini Cooper.
I've always fancied a Lambo Huracan, you know? I feel like the new set of Lambos have gone a bit downhill, being like electric and everything like that, but the Huracan's got timeless style, you know?
I would own a Lambo. I've been crushing over it for the longest time. I think I would definitely get one of the Bugattis.
Lambo.
Ferrari.
What do you think about electric cars and would you ever choose them?
I'd rather switch on the fan at home.
Not now, but eventually, yes. Yes, I mean, environment friendly is one of the biggest factors. And yeah, it's all about the environment. We're, exploiting oil, diesel. It's been going on since ages. This is the modern world, modern era. We're evolving, and us evolving people who should probably give a fuck about the environment by now, we should probably go for the electric cars.
Awesome, alright.
I in fact own an electric car, so I mean definitely.
No. They don't rev the way I want it. I want my car to rev, bro. It needs to roar. Everybody needs to know I'm here,
I think it's good for the city where you're in standstill traffic.
Definitely I will. Less pollution, of course. I like the economical part of it, yeah.
Yes, actually we are, my family leans towards electric vehicles because as a person I'm really environmentally conscious. I've been vegan for 1.5 years and just because of that whole process of just trying to be environmentally conscious, we're trying to adopt the whole EV process. But I really like the new electric vehicles coming up. They have amazing designs and specs, so yeah.
Doesn't make sound, so I love it, bro. I'm an old school petrol diesel engine guy.
Most definitely. It's very sustainable and of course we must.
I think they're pretty expensive but also good for the environment, and with climate change of course we need it.
Yes, absolutely. For the city rounds and all, I would choose for the work and all. I would choose electric. I wanna buy electric.
I mean, I'm a petrol head, so EV is a no-no.
Petrol car. I haven't experienced electric cars, I'm not sure.
No, not my style. It is sustainable, but I feel it's a lot of work.
If it comes down to it, if I have to get an electric car, I'd get a BMW i8.
I mean, I do have one. Great work in Delhi. But if I'm in Bangalore, if this is my money, I'm definitely going for a Bugatti one. Definitely not an EV.
Maybe a Tesla.
It depends, automatic cars are easier to drive, but I feel like automatic cars are the future for us.
Is 2025 going to be filled with a year full of exes or a stable love life?
Stable love life.
A lot of excess. There is no love life in this country and in this city. A stable love life, at least for me, guys. Love life, please. I'm hoping for a stable love. Most importantly, career life. Love comes secondary, but yes.
Exes always keep coming back, but hoping for a stable love life.
I really feel I get a stable relationship, but by the looks of it, it's going down.
There's no such thing as stable, but I would want that.
Just fun.
I think it's loving myself 2025, yeah.
Stable love life only. Queens do not accept anything less than a stable love life. Don't accept anything less, queens.
Only success.
Both.
Only fame and more money.
Exes, I guess. Stable love life.
Oh, it's definitely going to be a stable love life. I'm so confident about that. I'm already committed. I love him. Yeah, I'm wearing half of his shit. He got me this yesterday. He got me this. It's his. I love him. I am a lover.
I'm married, bro. I'm out of here.